I'm going to be making a soap with thin horizontal lines, and I'm actually going to be doing this kind of in two parts. I'll do one loaf today, then that will be cut up and used into two loaves. So this has, the colors I'm using are not going to be this bright, but that's just what I had for markers. So I'm using 15 lines. This has 10, but I'm actually going to be doing 15. And then once that is done and set, I'm going to be splitting it into sixths. 3 of those pieces will be going into the 2 molds. The middle section will be flipped upside down. And then these 2 sections, I'll be doing, I know it's white here, but I'll be doing activate charcoal. And then I have these little flower, and you can't really tell, they're kind of like little clover leaf soap dough that in different colors that I'm going to be adding into the sections. And this is enough for just one loaf. So I actually have double this sitting over there. So anyway, this is kind of my idea. Hopefully things will go okay. The fragrances I'm going to be using, for this loaf, I'm going to be using White Lily and Aloe from Bramble Berry. It does not discolor and it does cause moderate acceleration. So I'll just need to work fast, get it in there. And since I'm not doing any swirls, anything, that's fine. And then for the middle sections, I'm going to be using the acai berries and satin from Wholesale Supplies Plus. This, it does smell very, very light once you have actually used it in soap, but this will kind of balance that out. All right, the colors I'm using, again, not as bold as that, but I have vintage gray mica from Bramble Berry. I have this pretty bluebell mica from Nurture Soap. I have shimmering white clouds from Wholesale Supplies Plus, lavender mica from Bramble Berry, and then laurel green from Nurture Soap. And then, yeah, I think that's it. So what I'm going to be doing, I have these little cups with my oils and even smaller cups with my teeny tiny bit of lye. So I had to individually mix each one of those. I'm using my little hand blender. I just put in fresh batteries because it's going to take longer. I can't do a full batch fully emulsified because everything will be set up, because this is going to take me a good chunk of time. So I'm hoping with the accelerating fragrance that I can move a little bit faster. I'm not sure. We'll find out. But with 15 layers, this could take me all day. I'm not sure. We'll find out. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to set these aside for another day, because it'll probably be actually 2 days before I get to this, because look at this one done. It'll go in the oven to C-pop for at least 24 hours, get it cut, and then get ready for the next part. So let's go ahead and get started.